Russian troops have left Kherson, but the soldiers have to cross the mighty Dnieper River to cross to the east bank. The Ukrainians did not leave anything to chance. This are Ukrainian attacks on Russian columns retreating across the Dnieper River. It's massive. And Ukrainian soldiers received shock in Kherson. They were completely surrounded in the center of the town. It is reported that the advance of Ukrainian forces to the center of Kherson has slowed down as they have to break through the crowds of local residents trying to hug the soldiers. This is how soldiers were greeted at the main square. Incredible scenes of joy in liberated Kherson. Those people have been through hell.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.